Hi everyone, I'm David Hennessy, and today we're diving into the exciting world of DJI drones, especially how to pick the best one for you as a beginner. Maybe you've seen some of those stunning aerial shots on YouTube or Instagram and thought, I want to do that. But the moment you look at all the drone options out there, it gets overwhelming fast. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which DJI drone fits your needs and budget. Let's break it down step by step. First off, why DJI? DJI is the global leader in consumer drones. They're known for their high-quality cameras, reliable flight systems, and beginner-friendly technology. Now, whether you want to capture breathtaking landscapes, create travel vlogs, or just have fun flying, DJI offers something for everyone. The key is choosing a drone that matches your skill level, and that's where most beginners get stuck. So, how do you decide? Let's start with the basics. The first question to ask yourself is, why do I want a drone? Are you a casual flyer who just wants fun aerial shots for social media, or an aspiring content creator looking for smooth, cinematic footage, or someone who wants to travel light and capture cool moments on the go? Your purpose will help narrow your choices. Now, let's look at DJI's beginner-friendly drones and see what fits. Let's first look at the DJI Mini 2 SE. If you want something simple, affordable, and portable, this is your best bet. It weighs under 250 grams, so in many countries you don't need to register it. It shoots 2.7K video and has a 3-axis gimbal for smooth footage. It's easy to fly with intuitive controls and automatic return to home features, perfect for the casual flyers or anyone else just starting out. Another choice, and my particular favorite, since that's the one I have, is the DJI Mini 3. A step up if you want better camera quality and longer flight time. It captures 4K HDR video for sharper, more vibrant footage, offers 38 to 51 minutes of flight time, depending on the battery you choose, of course, and it's great for travel vloggers who want to pro-level shots without carrying bulky gear. And finally, we have the DJI Air 3. If you're serious about content creation, but still a beginner, dual cameras, wide angle and telephoto for creative shooting, advanced tracking features, and obstacle avoidance. More expensive, but ideal if you plan to grow your skills fast. So, Mini 2 SE for fun, Mini 3 for travel and content, and Air 3 if you want that extra creative edge. Now, how do you choose between them? Let's break it down by key features. Camera quality. If you just want cool personal videos, 2.7K on the Mini 2 SE is enough. But if you want to go pro level content, go for the 4K options with the Mini 3 or the Air 3. Portability. Traveling? Stick with the Mini series. The Air 3 is still compact, but slightly bigger. Flight time? The Mini 2 SE flies for 31 minutes. The Mini 3 up to 51 minutes. A huge plus for extended shoots. Budget? The Mini 2 SE is the most affordable, around $300 to $400. The Mini 3 sits in the $500 to $700 range, and the Air 3 pushes past $1,000, so it's an investment. Now for a few bonus tips for beginners. Before we wrap up, a few quick tips for the first-time drone owners. Start simple. Don't jump straight to a high-end model. Master the basics first. Practice in open spaces. Fewer obstacles, less stress. Learn the rules. Research local drone laws, especially about weight limits and no-fly zones. And use your beginner modes. DJI drones have modes that limit speed and height, helping you build confidence. All right, so there you have it, a beginner's guide to choosing the right DJI drone. Buying a drone isn't just about getting a cool gadget, it's about unlocking new creative possibilities. Whether you want to capture stunning travel footage, start a YouTube channel, or simply explore the world from a whole new perspective, a drone gives you the freedom to tell your story in ways that were once impossible. The best part? There's so much room to grow. You can start small with something like the DJI Mini 2 SE, perfect for learning the ropes. Then as your confidence builds, you can move up to more advanced models like the Mini 3 or Air 3 and experiment with cinematic shots, tracking features, and professional quality footage. And who knows, what begins as a hobby could turn into something much bigger: content creation, freelance photography, or even working with brands that you want your unique aerial perspective. So if you've been on the fence about buying a drone, think about it again. It's an investment in your creative future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you'll never miss more tips and tricks, especially if you're interested in travel tech and all the exciting ways we can capture the world around us. Thanks for watching. Now get out there, take to the skies, and start creating something amazing. Happy flying.